Imagine your home as it transforms before your eyes. Walls become transparent, revealing a world inside. We dive deep into the heart of your home's electrical system. Watch as the glowing red wire transports bright blue electric energy. This wire connects to your utility power, energizing your home. The sparkling electricity flows seamlessly through the walls. As the camera glides effortlessly, notice the intricate details. The wiring twists and turns, powering your appliances and devices. Each connection fuels our daily life, from lighting to cooking. Consider how this unseen system supports modern living. Every flip of a switch brings light, warmth, and comfort. Understanding this process highlights the importance of safe electrical systems. Let the journey through your home's wiring inspire you. Knowledge about your electrical system helps keep your home safe. Take a closer look at your electrical setup today. Do you often confuse electrical wire colors? This tutorial will clarify their roles. By the E, you'll know each wire's function in your power system. Let's start with the phase L wire. It's typically red. This wire carries current. Notice how it glows intensely, indicating electrical flow. Next, we have the neutral N wire, usually blue. This wire returns current to the power source. It balances the circuit, ensuring safety. Finally, the earth PE wire is green-yellow. This wire protects us from electrical shock by grounding excess current. Remember, always handle wires with care. This knowledge ensures safe electrical practices. Test your understanding by identifying these wires in your home. Have you ever wondered how electricity powers your LED light bulb? This tutorial will teach you to create a captivating promotional video. By the end, you'll have a visual masterpiece showcasing electricity flow in LED bulbs. Start by gathering your animation tools. Use software like Blender or After Effects. Next, create a 3D model of a light bulb. Ensure it has transparent wiring for visibility. Animate the electricity leaving the phase wire. Make the energy particles bright and blue. Show the particles moving through the lamp. Use slow motion for dramatic effect. Add arrows indicating the current flow direction. Make it clear and visually appealing. Finally, focus on the bulb illuminating brilliantly. Use hyper-realistic effects for impact. Now, review your video for any adjustments. Have you ever wondered about electrical dangers? Today, we focus on phase wires. Our goal is to recognize warning signs and safety symbols. First, observe the phase wire closely. Notice the warning symbols? These indicate potential hazards. Next, see the red danger lights? They signal immediate caution. Keep your distance when you spot them. Now, look for exposed copper conductors. They can cause electrical shocks. Always handle wires with care. Finally, notice the yellow warning sign with a lightning bolt? It reminds you of serious risks. To summarize, recognize warning symbols and red lights. Stay safe around exposed conductors. Remember, safety first. Apply this knowledge in your daily environment to ensure safety. Have you ever wondered how electricity powers your home? Understanding electrical flow is essential. In this tutorial, you will learn how electricity travels throughout your living room. First, let's look at the electrical distribution board. It's the heart of your household electricity. It connects to various circuits in your home. Next, energy travels through concealed cables. These cables are hidden behind your walls. They lead to essential appliances and lighting. As we fly through the room, notice the sockets and ceiling lights. Each one receives electricity from the cables. When energy flows, appliances like your refrigerator and washing machine activate. Watch closely as the television and air conditioner come to life. They light up one after another. This illustrates how electrical flow powers multiple devices efficiently. Remember, the distribution board distributes electricity throughout your living space. Understanding this flow enhances your home's safety and efficiency. Now, you can appreciate how energy travels in your modern home. Explore your living space and watch the appliances in action. Have you ever experienced a power failure at home? It can be frustrating. Today, we'll learn about miniature circuit breakers. Our goal is to understand how they provide safety. First, let's identify a miniature circuit breaker. It's a small device in your electrical panel. When it detects an issue, it switches off. This action instantly cuts off electricity flow. Next, watch as the phase wire disconnects. You'll see all glowing electricity vanish. The house becomes electrically safe. Notice the safety symbol appearing. It emphasizes the importance of electrical safety. Now, let's recap. Miniature circuit breakers protect your home. They cut off power during faults. This ensures safety for you and your family. I encourage you to check your circuit breaker today. Be proactive about electrical safety. Have you ever wondered how your electrical system works? Today, we'll unravel the mystery. Our goal is to help you understand the phase, neutral, and earth conductors. First, remember that the phase wire is highlighted in red. Next, the neutral conductor is shown in blue. Finally, observe the earth conductor in green-yellow. As we rotate the installation, look for animated labels on each conductor. This will enhance your understanding of their roles. In summary, you've learned about 3 key components of your electrical system. Remember, the phase provides power, the neutral returns it, and the earth protects you. Now, take what you've learned and apply it to your knowledge of electrical systems.